Hey, everyone! Welcome back to St. Clair's Family Talk. Today, we're going to learn a conversation for baking cookies together. First, let's listen to the conversation.
Let's bake some cookies today.
Really? That sounds fun.
First, let's wash our hands.
Okay, all clean. What's next?
Put in the flour and the sugar, please.
Okay. Can I mix it?
Sure, go ahead. Nice job. Now let's add the chocolate chips.
Yay! That's my favorite part.
Great! Now let's put them in the oven.
When can we eat them?
Soon. Just a few more minutes.
I can't wait to taste them.
Say it with me.
Let's bake some cookies today.
Really? That sounds fun.
First, let's wash our hands.
Okay, all clean. What's next?
Put in the flour and the sugar, please.
Okay. Can I mix it?
Sure, go ahead. Nice job. Now let's add the chocolate chips.
Yay! That's my favorite part.
Great! Now let's put them in the oven.
When can we eat them?
Soon. Just a few more minutes.
I can't wait to taste them.
Say it with me. Great job! See you next time.